It was a really good experience. We have been having pneumatics as one of our core subjects from the very first semester, and in addition to whatever components that we have in our lab, it was a really good accumulation of all these components, and in addition to that, learning into how it is been used in robotics and its assembly.
Those theoretical knowledge coming to life in front of us was very useful for us to think and imagine when we study those things again.
We have learnt a lot about the industry applications. For example, how the pneumatics changes when it's used in hospitals or whether when it's used in your tap or anything. All that stuff we've learnt in textbooks, but over here we could look at those valves, we could compare the size comparison, everything practically.